The Skyline Suite. Decoding elite private jet charter hourly rates in 2026. In the hyper-exclusive world of high-altitude travel in 2026, understanding private jet charter hourly rates is no longer just about the price tag. It's about navigating a sophisticated market of time value optimization. For American executives, celebrities, and family offices, chartering a private aircraft has evolved from a luxury into a strategic business tool. As of early 2026, the hallmark of the industry is dynamic operational pricing, where hourly rates are influenced by real-time fuel indices, labor market adjustments for elite crews, and the global demand for ultra-long-range missions. High CPM keywords such as Gulfstream G800 charter cost 2026, empty leg flight deals ROI, and on-demand private jet membership rates attract premium advertisements from luxury real estate firms, private banks like JP Morgan, and high-end concierge services, making this a pinnacle niche for luxury and financial content creators in the United States. The 2026 pricing model for elite jet charters is categorized by aircraft size and capability, reflecting the stabilized inflationary baseline of the mid-2020s. Very light jets, VLJ, such as the Cirrus Vision SF-50 or HondaJet, typically start at $3,000 to $5,000 per hour, ideal for regional hops like Los Angeles to Las Vegas. Moving up to light jets like the Embraer Phenom 300, rates now hover between $4,500 and $7,000 per hour. The sweet spot of the market remains the midsize and super midsize categories. Think Citation Latitude or Challenger 350, which command $6,000 to $9,500 per hour due to their transcontinental range and standing room cabins. At the pinnacle of the market are the ultra-long-range heavy jets, such as the Bombardier Global 7500 or Gulfstream G700. These penthouses in the sky feature master suites and full-service galleys, with hourly rates starting at $13,000 and frequently exceeding $22,000 for intercontinental missions like New York to London. However, to remain compliant with YouTube's business integrity policies, it is mandatory to clarify that the hourly rate is only the base. Promoting these prices as all-inclusive, without discussing landing fees, ramp fees, crew overnights, and federal excise tax, FET, which adds 7.5% in the U.S., is a direct violation of transparency standards and can lead to channel demonetization. The 2026 model for elite charter excellence also highlights the rise of sustainability-adjusted rates. With increasing environmental regulations, many top-tier charter companies now include Sustainable Aviation Fuel, SAF, surcharges or carbon offset credits directly in their quotes. For creators, this niche provides immense depth, from explaining how to access empty leg liquidity, to the difference between jet cards and fractional ownership, by providing evidence-based insights into direct operating costs, DOC, and the latest block hour discounting strategies, where pre-purchasing 25 to 50 hours can save 15%. We empower high-net-worth individuals to make smarter aviation decisions. Furthermore, the 2026 market has seen a surge in AI-driven dispatch optimization, which reduces deadhead or repositioning costs, making private travel slightly more accessible for the mid-market business traveler. Ultimately, the 2026 private aviation landscape in the United States represents the perfect marriage of raw engineering and concierge-level service, ensuring that for those who value time above all else, the sky is no longer